What's up, Lake of the Ozarks? It's your guy, Will Holtz with Lake TV. It's time for another LOZ featured dock right here on Lake TV, presented by our good friends with Kwik Dock Cleaning. And this time we're at the 34.5-mile marker on the Going Party Deck. And I'm telling you, this one has it all. We got wave runners, we got kayaks, we got bumper boats, everything you could need. So let's go on down and talk to owner Darren Going.
Maximize your lake time with Kwik Dock Cleaning. Find out more at kwikcarmo.com.
All right, so here's Darren Gowen, the owner here of what I call the ultimate party deck at Lake of the Ozarks in the 34.5-mile marker. Tell us a little bit about how you guys started coming to the lake and your tie to Lake of the Ozarks.
My grandparents and aunt and uncle always had a place down here, so I've been coming down here since I was a kid.
So how long have you guys been over here at the 34.5-mile marker?
January of 15 we bought this place.
Very good. And was the dock as is when you guys bought it, or?
Nope, we built the dock.
Built the dock, and who built this dock for you guys?
We assembled it. We bought pieces of it from Krantz and
oh, okay, so you guys really
we put it together.
Why'd you choose to build a dock like this? Is this like it for you? I mean, is this your paradise?
This is our paradise. This is, you know, we like the lake and like to have a good time.
And I've seen some video, I've seen some pictures, and there's not many docks that pack as much fun into one. So let's head on down and you can tell us all the different toys you've got. All right, so obviously the most important reason you would get a dock is your boats. And Darren, you got a couple of pretty ones here. So tell us about your two boats here.
38-foot Formula and a 340 Sea Ray.
All right, and this is the best of both worlds. You were telling me one of these is yours and one of these is your wife's. So explain the process.
Well, the fast boat's mine and the slow one's my wife's.
And you were saying this one's a lot quicker, a lot easier to get out, but you don't mind this one here, do you?
I don't mind it. Just when it's windy, it's just more of a pain in the park, and you know, when you go to bars and stuff, it's a lot harder to find wider slips for the big boats than the small ones.
Right. So you got the boats covered. You got two incredible ones, but your dock is filled with a ton of other things. You guys took having fun on your dock to a whole new level. So talk to us about all the different things I see.
We've got a rope swing off the top. There's an upper deck that's 12 by 24. It's about 20 foot off the water. We've got bumper boats. We've got a blob. It's not in the water right now. We only put it on the holiday weekends.
What's a blob?
It's a big inflatable. It's 8 foot wide, 8 foot tall, and 40 foot long. Someone sits on one end and you jump on the other and it launches.
Oh, and it catapults the other person like in the air. That's crazy. I've seen those, and you guys have one of those. Of course, if you put it out now, I mean, people probably want to come get on it and tear it up. And
you can't leave it out when you're not here. And the winds, I mean, it's hard to anchor down to. It'll get blown away in the wind and everything else.
So this high dive here, you said, is how many feet above us?
It's roughly 19 and 6.
And people are brave enough to jump off that?
Oh yeah.
You jump off that?
Yeah.
You're gonna jump off that for us, right?
Probably.
All right, let's go check out these bumper boats you're telling me about. All right, here's the first, Darren. I've never seen anybody with bumper boats on their dock, and these actually are pretty special. These have a little history behind them. Where'd these come from?
They came from up on the strip.
Oh, what was it, 2-Bit Town down there with the old bumper boats? So you got 2 of these, and you actually got 3 of these. Engines up in the garage. These things are pretty intense.
They're slow, I mean, but they're fun. You can't really mess up on a bumper boat.
They spin pretty fast?
Yep.
So we're gonna try to get these out this summer. You also got wave runners over there. You guys canoe, you kayak. Tell us all the different activities you guys do here at the lake, because you've got it all.
We have paddle boards, kayaks, wave runners, bumper boats.
And the nice thing is you're really close to one of your favorite places, like a lot of us. Captain Ron's over there, so you're basically right on top of all the big events here.
And it's a no-wake cove, which is nice.
So Shootout, this is the place to be, is over here at the Gowans.
I don't know about that.
All right, so now we're like 20 feet above the water here on this elevated dive platform. And you were telling me not only is this a big party place, but 4th of Julys are pretty special out here on your guys' dock. Walk me through a typical 4th of July at the Goin residence.
It's basically just it's my wife and I's birthdays are in July, so we always have a big party and a big gathering on the 4th, and that's kind of my favorite holiday. So
you guys get a DJ down here. You probably get the different bumper boats and wave runners out, people jumping off this onto the blob. Really is paradise down here at the lake. So a couple other questions. When you guys got all the pieces for this and the parts and started assembling, how long did it take you to put this together to where it's at now?
a weekend.
That's it?
Yep.
One weekend and you did it yourself?
Well, my son and 3 of his friends from high school, and then 4 of my buddies. But yeah, like 6 trailer loads. And
This guy's not afraid of hard work. You won't be able to see me do those kind of things. But all right, so before we get out of here, I'm gonna go try this rope swing. I think Darren's gonna actually jump off of this for us. So I think that's a wrap for this edition of the LOZ Featured Dock Series presented by our good friends at Kwik Car Dock Cleaning. For the Goin family, this is Darren. I certainly appreciate your time, man, and good luck on your jump.
thank you guys.
That's a life-saving event.